Finally, bringing back cooking basics for 20-somethings, where I share cooking skills I think everyone should master in their 20s. I have no culinary degree and I have no qualifications to teach, but I'm going to show you what I've picked up over the years from random classes, YouTube, and my mom. Today we're going to be doing caramelized onions, which don't really sound like a basic skill, but I'll explain that in the end. First, you're going to start by slicing your onions as thinly and as evenly as you can. It's more important that they're an even thickness, so when they're cooking at the same rate. Otherwise, the really thin ones might just end up burning too quickly. Add them to a saucepan with 2 teaspoons of olive oil and 2 teaspoons of butter. Then, once they wilt and look like this, add in a pinch of salt and a pinch of sugar. Make sure to keep your stove at a low to medium setting throughout the process. Your only job is to keep them moving and often. This is one of those things that takes some time, but it's the time that really helps you develop the nice umami flavor. The reason I view this as a basic skill is because in our 20s we resort to lots of freezer burger patties and simple sandwiches that lack that depth of flavor. Caramelized onions are super simple to make even for beginners, and they really elevate any dish by adding a depth of flavor that's going to make it into an enjoyable meal. There's a full step-by-step breakdown that's beginner friendly in the caption, and if you're in your 20s, be sure to follow for more.